Okay, this is part 3 of the hiding things flip chart, and in this example we made a magic hat, in this case a magic bucket, from which things can be pulled from behind. Oops, if you do that you want to grab one at a time. So in this example, first thing we needed is a background. You can drag in a picture from anywhere, set it to the background, or just use the shared resources like what I did and just pull in a beach. This is another one. And I actually made the bucket, so I'm going to make that bucket again really quick. Let's see. There was my bucket. Okay, and actually I want that bucket to be yellow.
Lucky.
And then the border to be yellow too. Okay. Then I'm going to need a handle on my bucket and a hole in the bucket. Okay, the bucket now has an opening, and then I just need to put the handle on there. There's a good handle. Kind of missed, but that should work. Okay. Now, I'm going to stick all this together so it moves using the grouping tool, so that it moves all together as one piece. And then I'm going to put all my vocabulary words over here that I'm going to cover up, such as beach, and just make sure each one of these is a separate object so it pulls out one at a time. Sand, whatever else you want to put, waves, ocean, whatever the things are that you're hiding. And then you can just stack them all on top of one another if you want to. It doesn't really matter. And then we're going to cover it up with the bucket. Now you notice the bucket isn't covering those right now because we need to go over into our object browser, this one, and take our bucket and move it to the top layer. We may need to move all 3 shapes to the top layer. They're grouped together, but they were still on different layers. Okay, so now these are all on top of all of the text items, and so now our words are hidden. The only other thing you might want to do is select that and right-click it and lock it down. So that way when you go to pull words out from behind it, you don't pull the bucket instead on accident. So that's it.